And now we move into the Nasdaq 100. And I was saying down here that this looks like it needs a fifth wave higher to complete. And we so far have gotten that. So here's the top of your third wave. We just broke above it. So we've completed the 5 wave pattern. Could it go higher? Sure, it sure could. But based on how I'm counting this, I don't know how much higher it really can go. It looks like it needs one more push higher. Looks like this is a fourth wave right up in here. Um, and it's short of our targets by about 3%. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, what are we looking at? 3 to maybe 5% higher versus what's going on underneath. I mean, that's not the kind of risk that we want to be taking on. Down here, sure, that sounds great. But now that we have a fifth wave completed, the question is how much more can it extend? And I think we're setting up for a correction. So either we're going to get like this is a third wave, we're going to get a fourth wave back in December, and then one more push higher to our targets in early 2024. Or guess what? What if this is the top of a first wave? We get a deep second wave, and then we have to actually push our targets higher into Q1. That's on the table as well. That's a really bullish scenario. And the other scenario is that this was the top right here. This is all you get. And what that would look like is 5 waves down from this high, whatever this high is going to be.